We've just acquired this lovely Mercedes AMG convertible. It has literally just arrived. Got a host of extras. It's got front and rear park distance control. The wheels we're just going to refurbish. They've got a few marks, but I'll make them look like properly refurbished. Rear park distance control. It's the 220 CDI AMG. So you've got the AMG Sport styling pack on it and that. Fully electric roof, which is in black. Full leather seats, electric windows, electric mirrors. We've got inside 3-stage heated seats. Three-stage heated seats. Got satellite navigation. Cruise control, absolutely full out. Paddle shift on the gearbox if you want as well. It's got Bluetooth connectivity. DJH offer full dealer facilities. If you'd like any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.